Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is an 87 Cadillac. This thing is amazing. Just a little over 32,000 miles on the car. She is beautiful. Now we're gonna put it up on the lift so you can see the bottom. We're gonna get out and drive it. We're gonna raise the hood, fire up the motor. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Cadillac investment. So come on up and we'll fire it up for you right now. So you can tell by looking, this was definitely an indoor car. It is beautiful, very well kept, 1987. That's a long time, guys. You can see all the fillers look good, the chrome looks good, the grill's in good looking shape. There's just a couple of rock chips on the nose here. You look down the side of the car, straight as an arrow, no door dings, no scratches. Wire wheels looking great. Actually, those are hubcaps, I believe. You can see the rocker moldings are straight as can be, looking great. You remember these old door bumpers that everybody used to put on their cars to keep people from hitting your car when you're in the parking lot? You can see the door jambs nice and clean. The door panel's nice and clean, and look up in here. Look how nice and clean it is up in here. That tells a story on these cars. This car was well kept throughout the years. You can see the upholstery all looks great. We can actually open up this back door and take a look at this back seat. Of course, everything on the car is stock. We've got a moonroof in there. You can see the door jambs on the back door also looking great. Just everything about the car looking beautiful. And you want to talk about driving great? Man, these Cadillacs drive like Cadillacs. Again, these fillers here also beautiful shape. All the chrome looks good back here. Emblem looks like it's brand new. Look inside the trunk there. It looks like it's a brand new set of floor mats in there. Doesn't look like there was ever anything in this trunk. And again, I'll tell you a little secret. Look in these gutter areas here. You can tell whether a car lived indoors or outdoors. You can see how nice and clean everything is. Yeah, you can't make them that clean. You got to keep them that clean. Look down the side of it. And again, it screws down all by itself. Just close it and it pulls it down tight. You see down the side, straight as an arrow. The vinyl top's in good shape. Now here at Vanguard Motor Sales, we own all of our inventory. We don't do any consignment whatsoever. Right now, we've got about 230 cars in stock, and we own every one of those cars. Now, I'm involved in buying every one of the cars here at Vanguard, so what that means to you is you're getting my expert help helping you pick out your dream car. All right, who wants to go boating? Or should I say shipping? Let's take this yacht for a ride. I tell you what, it's got, let's see, 32,000 gentle miles on it. This car is beautiful. Here comes a gigantic semi. I'm not gonna pull out in front of him. He looks dangerous. Well, we'll just go the other way. How's that? Here we go. This Cadillac is sweet. We got the AC on. It's blowing cold. Of course, it's a beautiful day out today. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can make it real easy to park this dream in your driveway, no matter where you live in the world. Just call Tom at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you how easy it is. He will take care of all the paperwork. All you got to do is tell him to go. We can ship it anywhere in the world. We can help with financing. Like I said, Tom will make it real easy for you. Just give him a call. He does answer his phone 7 days a week and almost 24 hours a day. And I tell you what, that man will call you back. If you don't leave him a message and we pick your number up on caller ID, he will call you back. He will take care of all your questions. Now this car is sweet, guys. All stock, all original, well kept, indoors, its entire life. We're real close to the airport if you'd like to fly out and take a look at it. You want to send an inspector, you want to drive out on a Saturday, we'd love to have you. About 95% of our customers buy sight unseen, but boy, we love it when you come out and check them out in person. We got about 230 in stock right now, and we bring in between 45 and 50 new every month. Now we're gonna do something nobody else does. We're gonna put the car up on the lift, we're gonna take pictures, we're gonna video the bottom side of it, we're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your Cadillac investment. So stick with us because we're gonna get it up in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath this Cadillac now, and you can see it's nice and clean under here too. Frame's nice and clean, drop down's nice and clean. The exhaust looks fairly new on it. It's got the stock rear end in it. Everything about the bottom side of this car is nice and clean. You can tell it was very, very well kept throughout the years. Muffler's in good shape. Frame looks great. Backside of the rockers look good. Floorboards look great. It's still got the original catalytic converter, 200 R4 trans. That's a 4-speed automatic for you guys that don't know what a 204 R4 is. Of course, it does have the disc brakes up front. Cross member doesn't look like it ever had a jack on it. Front frame horns are nice and straight. I mean, it's just a nice, pretty car. You can tell this car lived indoors its entire life. Even the chrome on the bottom of the front bumper looks great. Let's look at those wheels and tires. Now we've got the stock hubcaps on here. We got some steel belted radials. These look like, these tires have got some age on them. If you're gonna plan on driving this car a lot, I'd replace these tires. Right now, 215/75/15s up front. Those rocker moldings are looking good. Now let's check the rear. Out back, same good looking tire, 215/75/15, same good looking wire wheels here. Remember the old wire fire when you used to go through the car washes and that, getting them wire wheels? My dad had me in there cleaning all these. Look at that rocker. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got the Cadillac 5-liter. It's got air conditioning, it's got the air pump here, everything's stock. It's got power steering, power brakes. I mean, it's got everything a Cadillac had on it back in the day, and it is nice and clean under here. You can tell the car was very, very well kept. And take a look at that. Even the under hood light is still working, guys. This Cadillac's sweet. You're gonna have a ton of fun driving this thing around. I was out driving it. It's just like sailing a great big old ship down the ocean, man. She is sweet. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.